I woke up today 63.6 kg, so that's probably because I'm having 200 extra calories from my previous. So I used to be having 2,830 calories. Now I'm having 3,030 calories. And yeah, my water hydration's fine. The mouth taping's really working. So I'm a lot less dehydrated in the morning. And what else? What else is there? Started taking my vitamin D. Oh yeah, so this. So something really interesting about habits, right? If you don't have the thing that you want to take, like in a place you can see it, you're not going to take it. Doesn't matter how simple it is. I've had this in a place I couldn't see it for months, and for those months I never took it. I've only recently started taking it because I could actually see it, and yeah.